So here we're taking a look at the BMW 328i. When I take off, the drive shaft is wobbling, so it makes a vibration. I don't like it. Here I'm sourcing the part. Luckily, I have a spare carrier bushing. It's not the exact fit, so I'm gonna have to make it work. This is me disassembling the old carrier bearing. For some reason it was on there. It was stuck on there. This is the method I use to take them off. On the new one, it was way easier than this. I didn't have to do all that. It just slid off. And then it almost slid back on the other one. I didn't show that process. But this is the new carrier bearing and why it doesn't fit properly. And my solution is just grab 2 nuts, a washer, and longer bolts to make it work. You can see how that carrier bearing was destroyed. There's nothing left in it. And that's it installed already. I greased it up, lined it up, made sure when I separated the drive shaft it went back together in the same position. But yeah, that was it.